2011 Ford E150 XLT adventure van with 26,000 original miles. Beautiful, beautiful, clean Carfax, gorgeous adventure van, suspension lift. It is beautiful. The original owners spent originally about $55,000 on this build out, including the van, the suspension, the wheels, the tires. This van is awesome. It has a safari rack, full live-in bed, beautiful queen size bed inside, TV, DVD player, full power inverter kit, shore power. Everything was done with top quality material. This van has a Cooltron fridge, Thule storage container up top is home to the batteries and the power inverter that controls the shore power. This van is awesome. Bad to the bone. 26,000 original miles. Started its life in California. It's now here in Florida. No rust whatsoever. No stories. It's a bad boy. Black Rock wheels. Goodyear Wrangler tires. It's your adventure van suspension kit. Pretty awesome inside there. The interior is awesome on this van. This thing can go anywhere, do anything you want it to do. Heavy duty tow package, backup camera, safari rack with ladder, plenty of storage throughout. Storage under here, all solid wood. Everything latches down. You got storage compartments on the side here. There's screens for the van. Insulated window panels. This thing is awesome. The bed, super comfortable. It's not very hard at all. I mean, it's really comfortable bed. You could live out of this van, no problem. It is set up for any adventure. Go anywhere, do anything. It is awesome. Got your safari rack with your ladder. Beautiful wood desk, table, coffee maker, lighting everywhere. You got LED lights. You got a little bench that was made to go with this. It's a real beauty. This is a Cooltron fridge. Everything is on inverter power. There's extra power everywhere. There's outlets everywhere. This van is outfitted with trip light. Trip Light is the inverter company. This thing is awesome. More storage. All your stuff goes in here. You got your DVD player here, TV. Again, there's power outlets all over the van, dual air conditioning. All this is rock solid wood, the best quality you can get. The flooring was done. This swivel seat was added as well, so this could be turned around. It could go face the other direction as well. This van is awesome. You're looking for an adventure van, this is the one. Beautiful. Great on gas, drives good. Really tough stance. Give us a call, 954-561-2499 if you have any questions. Happy to help at any time. Ask for Jeff or Ken. We specialize in vans. We're more than happy to help you. With any questions you might have, visit us at suprememotorsusa.com. This thing's awesome. Don't miss out on this bad boy. 26,000 miles, super low mileage. Previous owner babied this van. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. Visit us at suprememotorsusa.com. Doesn't get any better than this right here. If you're looking for an adventure van, this is the one. You'll never be able to duplicate it. By the time you buy a van and try to outfit it between your time and money, this thing's bad right here. Give us a call. Any questions, ask for Jeff or Ken. We are happy to help at any time. Thank you. Check out the mileage. You got a front power driver's seat as well. 26,587 miles. Got an iPhone charger built in. Got your CD player. You got more auxiliary outlets down here. Everything is hidden and seamless. This thing is done with ultra high quality. This thing is ready to go. It's been fully serviced. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. If you have any questions, we're happy to help. Thank you.